You may get to a point in your analyses where you don't want to work with just specific collaborators, but you actually want to get out to everybody. Google Sheets allows you to publish both your spreadsheet and your results to the entire World Wide Web. This is different from sharing via link where people can actually log in and potentially make changes to your folder. This is actually where you can post it as a web page or as a downloadable Excel file or a PDF. And while it makes the most sense to do this with individual graphics, which you can embed in a web page, I want to show you how this works in general. What you need to do is come up to File and then come down to Publish to the Web. And when you click on that, you get a few different choices. You can publish the entire document, or you can publish one of the tabs out of it. I'll do the entire document for right now, but you may have more specific needs. And also you can publish it as a web page, in which case it'll show up as an HTML web page, or you can do any of these other formats, in which case it will simply initiate an automatic download of the file. So you don't see anything there, it just goes straight to your download folder. Let me show you what this looks like. I'm going to publish the entire thing. I'm going to hit publish. It says, do I want to publish it? Yes, because you don't want to do this stuff by accident. And now I've got this big long web address. I'm going to copy that and go to a private browser. I'm going to open it up. And now you can see, now it's not the most attractive or well formatted, but that's because it's a web page and not the actual spreadsheet. Because I published the entire spreadsheet, I have all of these different tabs that are available as hyperlink selections. And so this is one way of sharing things. Now, again, this works better if it's graphics that you're sharing, especially if they're interactive graphics. And I'll have an example of those later, but this is one way to get things out and about. The other option, by the way, aside from linking, is to embed the information into a website like a WordPress site or Squarespace or your own website. And then you can include the data there so that it's already hosted and housed for people. They don't have to go to the link directly, but it's right there in front of them. And any of those methods will allow you to get your data out and your message out to as wide an audience as possible.